In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the built-in plugin manager in Adobe XD. Keeping your tools up to date and efficient is crucial for any designer, so let's dive right into it. First, make sure your Adobe XD is running the latest version, as you'll need at least version 13.0 to access all the features of the plugin manager. Once that's sorted, go ahead and open Adobe XD. You can start from either the home screen or directly from any document you're working on. Now let's locate the Plugins panel. From the home screen, look for the Add-ons menu. Click on it and then select Plugins. This will open up the plugin panel for you. If you're already working within a document, glance over to your toolbar. There, you should find the Plugins icon. Go ahead and click on it. You will see an option for Discover Plugins, or sometimes just a simple plus icon. Clicking on either will open the Browse or Install interface that we are looking for. Inside the plugin panel, you'll find a treasure trove of tools that can elevate your design work. You have the ability to browse through plugins or use the search function to find specific ones. In the Browse tab, you'll see various categories that you can explore. You might want to check out the most recent category if you're looking for something new, the top-rated section for a reliable choice, or perhaps popular for a trendy addition. Each plugin is equipped with a brief description, user ratings, and other details to help you make an informed decision. Once you've found a plugin that piques your interest, installing it is a breeze. In the plugin panel, simply click on the Install button next to the plugin you've chosen. The process is quick and straightforward. Alternatively, you might occasionally come across plugins that are packaged as files, usually with an .xdx extension. If that's the case, you can just double-click the file to initiate the installation process. It's as easy as that. After you've successfully installed the plugin, it will appear under the Manage tab in your plugin panel. This tab is very handy, as it not only allows you to launch your newly installed plugins, but also gives you the power to uninstall or disable any plugins you no longer need. This way, you can keep your workspace clean and efficient, tailoring Adobe XD to your personal workflow. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough on how to maximize Adobe XD's plugin manager functionality, ensuring you always have the best tools at your disposal. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!